Hey guys, my name is Dan Galarza. Welcome to WMR. In my hands, I got a brand new WP product that I want to introduce to you guys. This product's name is the WP AER Quick Fill Tool. As many of you guys can know, it can be really difficult to inspect your air pressure at the track. You can leave this adapter on your fork at all times. Super simple install. What you guys are going to do is, when you buy this special tool, you're going to go ahead and remove the end of the tool. Simply thread it out. Put the treads back on the motorcycle. To use this special tool, you will have to use your special pump as well that comes on a brand new motorcycle. So we're going to adapt the pump into your adapter fill quick tool. So after you check your correct fork pressure on your motorcycle, you're going to go ahead and do a quarter turn to remove this tool. Super simple to remove it out. You won't lose any air in the process of removing the tool out, so you can have a correct measurement at setting up your fork for your correct weight. All right guys, now that you guys saw how to install our WP Quick Fill tool, if you guys are interested in getting one, get a hold of us. We have them in stock at WMR. Thank you for watching.